Building muscle and gaining strength requires proper nutrition, and it is essential to consume the right foods to fuel your body during workouts. While protein powder supplements may be marketed as the key to muscle building, there are plenty of whole foods that are excellent sources of muscle-building nutrients. In this video, we will show you the 5 best foods for muscle building and strength without getting distracted by protein powder propaganda. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a perfect protein source and contain healthy fats and other essential nutrients, such as vitamin B and choline. The proteins found in eggs are essential for increasing strength and muscle building, but there are other substances in them that contribute equally. Egg yolks contain dietary cholesterol that does not increase blood cholesterol levels, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Bodybuilders looking to gain muscles also need fats to comply with their energy requirements, especially during the growth stage. Vitamin B present in eggs assists various processes in the body that helps in the production of energy. Eggs also contain amino acids that enhance muscle recovery and other essential minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium. 2. Lean beef. Beef is a must-add food to your diet if you're keeping muscle building in mind. Beef is essential for muscle building specifically because of its high protein content. Other essentials include amino acids, vitamin B, and creatine, which play an important role in increasing muscle mass. Individuals doing weight training exercises to gain muscle mass can increase the benefits by consuming a high-protein diet, such as beef. If you want to gain muscles, it is important that you consume beef that helps muscle building by supplying fewer calories. Red meat from grass-fed cattle has higher levels of conjugated linoleic acid, which helps in reducing the fat content in the body and gaining muscle mass. Additionally, beef also contains saturated fats that help maintain healthy testosterone levels. Testosterone is an androgenic hormone that is crucial for building muscle mass. 3. Chicken breasts. Chicken is another effective food for muscle building and is a good source of protein. It should be added to your diet, as it is a viable source of protein, with every 3-ounce serving of chicken breast containing approximately 26 grams of high-quality protein. Additionally, chicken also has other nutrients such as vitamin B or niacin and B6, which are essential for muscle building. Consuming a high-protein diet also helps to burn more fats and prevent muscle loss during workouts or training. 4. Salmon. Salmon is not only good to maintain overall health, but also becomes the best food choice for muscle building. It is rich in high-quality protein and also contains a long chain of omega-3 fats such as DHA and EPA. The basic function of omega-3 fatty acids is to ensure a healthy heart. Additionally, it also helps in the muscle synthesis or breakdown process by increasing the anabolic ability of the amino acids. Eating foods like salmon can increase the omega-3 fatty acid content in your body, helping to maintain lean muscle mass and enhance the muscle-building processes during workouts or training. 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a popular food among heavyweight trainers or individuals that work out to gain muscle mass. It is a recommended food to add to your diet as it is highly effective for muscle growth, thanks to its high protein content. When combined with heavyweight training, a major part of the cottage cheese is formed with casein, a very slow-digesting dairy protein. As you eat casein, the amino acid levels in your blood rise slowly and stay elevated for a prolonged period, making it more effective for building muscles and stimulating muscle breakdown. Hence, it works better than eating away protein. As cottage cheese contains a slowly digesting protein, it is recommended to be eaten before going to bed. Other foods on the list include quinoa, lentils, almonds, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and berries. Adding these foods to your diet can help fuel your workouts and provide your body with the necessary nutrients for muscle building and strength. Remember, eating a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential for muscle gains, so don't get distracted by protein powder propaganda.